not recommending or suggesting your videos, you are supposed to know that you are not doing the right thing, and you are supposed to post or upload your videos consistently. Maybe if it is per week, that is on Monday, maybe on Tuesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. You have to be consistent. That is, maybe it is per week or per month. Be consistent. Don't put one video maybe today and there, the next on next week, there next on next month. You are not being consistent on your videos. You have to be very consistent. Consistency is the thing, so that YouTube can know that this is a consistent YouTuber or creator. They have to recommend your videos like that. Be consistent. Yes, that is one. It's not recommending your videos. Turn this on, these features now. YouTube is not recommending your videos. Turn this on features now. Enter on your YouTube studio. Yeah, on your YouTube studio, you will enter on your channel. When you click, enter on your channel customization. You see your channel customization. Click on Home tab. Click on Home tab so that your YouTube can suggest or recommend your videos. You are supposed to give your channel a good trailer. Yes, which is the best videos is on your YouTube channel. Please put the channel trailer. Yes, you can go there. You can say change this section of channel trailer by clicking these dots. If you want to change or remove the latest video, you can change the video or remove the latest video. And when you finish, remember to publish so that everything will be effective. Yes, those are features. That is customer channel trailer. You can see the channel trailer. Featured video for returning subscriber. Yes, put the best videos there. Yes, and everything will be okay. Then to turn on these settings, go to more settings. You see, more settings. Yes, to turn on these features, you have to make sure your videos are on. If they are off like this, please turn them on like that. Yes, make sure are turned on. Yes, if they are not turned on, your videos cannot be seen by anybody or cannot be recommended. Or yes, make sure all of these settings are on. Then they are down. Make sure if recently all content recommended. If you recommend all your content from the time you started your channel up to where you are, it cannot, the YouTube cannot complete all of this. So if your channel, if you are going for the latest, maybe you are giving the best videos to the latest. Yes, make sure that you set recent content only. Recent content only, then say done. After saying done, then you publish. Yes, make sure you publish everything. Yes, make sure that those settings, you know, the first time I was doing this, all my videos, all my live stream were off. Later, it is the time I realized that I was doing the mistake. It is very important to know that. Yes, create a playlist, all sort of things, and everything will be okay. Please turn those settings on to get more views. The thing that you are supposed to follow in YouTube is not, if the YouTube is not recommending your videos, it is community guideline. YouTube community guideline. Are you following the rules and the policies for the YouTube? For example, if you are uploading your videos, you are uploading even in pornography, you are not supposed to do that. If you want your YouTube to recommend and suggest your videos, stop uploading pornography, stop copyrights, stop spamming, to sub all these sort of things. You are violating YouTube community guideline, and that is YouTube will not recommend your videos. Be sure of that, and your YouTube will be put on shadow ban. Thing that you are supposed to do so that the YouTube can recommend or suggest your videos is create a playlist. Create a playlist. If you don't create a playlist on your YouTube, it is very important to create, because it make your videos or shorts organized. It make your channel organized, because if your video is here, the other one is there, even you don't know which group they don't even know your group of your YouTube. Because for example, if you are creating your playlist, you create according, maybe it is, if it is songs, you put them under one album. If it is about skills and education, you put them under one album. If it's about another thing like that, so they see your channel is organized. Please create playlist. You and your channel will blow out, and with time everything will your channel will be suggested and recommended by the YouTube. Yes, thank you. Please subscribe. Thing that if you want your videos to be recommended by the YouTube, stop deleting after upload. Stop deleting your videos after upload. If you want your videos and shorts to be recommended by the YouTube, stop deleting your videos. If it have a copyright, mute the video instead of re-uploading. If you re-upload, it will not get view. Trust me, it will not get a view, or you will never be recommended. It will be, your channel might be put on your shadow ban. Yes, stop deleting videos after upload. Thank you.